Hello friends, welcome back to Prajwalita's kitchen. Today we will make a kadha to boost our immunity in this pandemic. It is also useful to cure cough and cold. So let's start. For making this kadha, the required ingredients are 2-inch cinnamon stick that is dalchini, 4 clove that is long, 9 to 10 black pepper that is kali mirch, 4 green cardamom that is hari ilaichi, 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder that is haldi, half a lemon grass that is hari chai, 2 to 3 inch ginger that is adrak, 10 to 12 basil leaf that is tulsi ke patte, half a lemon that is nimbu, 3 to 4 tablespoon of jaggery that is gur. So firstly, we will coarsely grind clove, black pepper, cinnamon stick and green cardamom. Then in a pan take a 2 cup of water that is and add a grinded spices followed by turmeric powder, ginger, basil, lemongrass, squeeze half a lemon followed by jaggery. Now bring it to boil and cook till the quantity reduces to 1/4. It will take approximately 20 minutes on a low flame to release all the medicinal properties from the spices. And here we go, our immunity boosting kadha is done. Give this kadha a try at home and take care of your health. Enjoy!